were wondering if the Brown Sugar Babe oils are worth the investment, they are indeed, to me, worth the investment. All right, Nistas, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to share with you my fragrance layering combinations from the week of July 26th. Yes, we're a little behind, but I still want to share this with you. So you guys, during this week I did an experiment, and what I wanted to do is wear only my Brown Sugar Babe oils and maybe a fine fragrance mist to just see how good. I already know how good, but I've never just really worn them in isolation or with something really mild like a fine fragrance mist. So that's what I did. So in this fragrance layering combination is going to be all about the Brown Sugar Babe oils. All right, today you guys, I am wearing the lip combo from Fenty. This came in a set actually, and this is the Fenty Beauty lip liner in the color Traced Out. You've seen this before. And this is the color Grape Splash that came with it. So that's the lip combo of today. I am wearing the latest from the Dolce & Gabbana light blue line, and it's the latest from Dolce & Gabbana, which is light blue, the EDP. So that's the fragrance I'm wearing today. All right, you guys, so starting on Sunday, I did wear perfume. So I did not wear it Monday through Saturday, but on Sunday I did, because I did have an event and I did want to be a little extra and make sure that my fragrance was fragrancing. But I still used Brown Sugar Babe oils as a part of this layering combination. So I started off, you guys, with the Pure Wonder body butter, and it is the Glowtion, which gives you that shimmer. Some people do not like this. They think that it is too pigmented as far as the shimmer is concerned, and it is rather heavy, much heavier than any other shimmer that I use, but I like it. It's not a problem for me. Body oils that I used on this particular day, you guys, I used the body oils that I use on this day are the Skin Deep, which is inspired by Guidance 46. And I went in with the Endless Love, which is inspired by A More Infinite from the collaboration with AI the Great. So I use these two body oils, very pretty fragrance. And I use one of the original Amouage fragrances, which is Love Delight. And it was so beautiful. I got quite a few compliments on this particular day on my fragrance. It was elegant. It stood out, but it was not overpowering, but I was definitely noticed and absolutely loved it. Perfect fragrance pairing. So moving on into that Monday, I was able to concentrate mainly on the Brown Sugar Babe oils. So that Monday, you guys, I started off with Cloud 9. And I use the Fine Fragrance Mist Peeping It Real. Now, the compliments that I got, I'm sure that these compliments came from this Brown Sugar Babe oil, because, you know, Fine Fragrance Mist, they only take you for so long, you know. So this particular day, I went to 7 Brews to get me an Energy 7 drink. When I tell you, all the 7 Brew little cashiers and baristas complimented me. It started off with the girl who took my order first. She was like, OMG, you smell so good. Then 2 of the other girls, a barista and another cashier, I guess they overheard her saying it. They was like, that's her. We smell her all the way up here. And I know it was only this. So much so till I had 3 the little teen baristas at my window asking me what I was wearing, and they were like, wow. One of the girls was like, let me write this down. So I told them where to get it from and what it was that I was wearing, and I already know that it was the Cloud 9. This bottle is empty, but I do have a backup, you guys. If you are a gourmand girl that like the sweet, vanilla, creamy, marshmallowy type of fragrance, this right here is perfect. This one is one of those year-round fragrances that smells so good. This could be your fragrance for the day. So much so till this is one of the brown sugar babe oils that I have to carefully and calculated put on if I'm going to wear it with a fragrance, because if not, it will take over. But that was my layering combination for Monday. All right, moving on into Tuesday, you guys. I went in with the On the Prowl, which is inspired by a bubblegummy type of fragrance, and it does have that bubblegummy vibe to it. I do want to get this in a replacement bottle because I am just about gone. I have shared a couple decants of this, but I do really enjoy this. This is truly a pink bubblegum type of fragrance. And I also went in with the Libra Fine Fragrance Mist, which is the Pink Berry Cloud. This has fragrance notes of strawberry, sponge, sugar, fluffy marshmallow, and crisp air. This is really good. I do like the bergamot. Is it any bergamot in here? No, it's no bergamot in here. But it does give you like this airy quality. The reason I say it, bergamot, this fresh quality to it. I do really enjoy this. I got a compliment on this particular day. I was in Target, if I'm remembering right, and it was actually a little guy that was the cashier, and he was like, "Ma'am, you smell really nice." So this is worthy of wearing on its own. I recommend, if you're going to wear any of these as your fragrance, just oil yourself from neck to feet, and I promise you it will last probably longer than some of your strongest fragrances in your collection. So this was my layering combination for that Tuesday. Moving on into that Wednesday, you guys. Now this was another day where I got multiple compliments, and this particular day, you guys, for some reason, that Ambroxan in this fragrance, I go nose blind to it really quick, but I get compliments throughout the day. So I got maybe 3 or more compliments on this particular day. And I started with the Level 13 from neck to feet. This is inspired by another 13. And this is good, you guys. Like I said, after about 10 minutes, I can't even smell this on myself, but I constantly get compliments. And the Fine Fragrance Mist that I wore on that day was the Musk number 3. This is musk, mimosa flower, and rice milk. This is good, you guys. I do really enjoy this one. This is one of those fragrances, if I wanted to wear something to bed, that I could wear it to bed. This is one of those sinus safe fragrances that is very easy to wear, and it is so nice. So that was my fragrance layering combination for Wednesday. Moving on into Thursday. Thursday, this particular day, I had a doctor's appointment, and yes, the nurse and the ladies, the medical assistants, they were all in. You smell so good. And all I could say is thank you. One of them did ask me what I was wearing, and I told her what it was and what it was inspired by. And I was like, well, if you just want to smell it on yourself, you could go up to Sephora and smell the fragrance that it's inspired by. But what I am wearing is an oil from Brown Sugar Babe, and this is the Princess Treatment, and it's inspired by Killian's Princess. This is a citrus bergamot like marshmallow fragrance that's just so good. Y'all know the Princess that comes in the black bottle. It is so good. This is a marshmallowy cotton candy type of fragrance, and I think it's that tea note that just gives it that freshness, the tea note and the bergamot. So good. And I paired it with the Tangerine Twirl from the Fruit Fusion line. Oh, I really like this. Love it, love it, love it. And this particular day, I did not put any body lotions or butters on. I just went all in with the Brown Sugar Babe oil. And like I said, this was a doctor's appointment day, and I got several compliments as well. So that was my fragrance combination for that Thursday. All right, moving on into that Friday. And you guys, honestly, I can't remember if I got compliments or not, but I did enjoy it myself. I went in from head to toe with the Diced Pineapple, which is a signature from Brown Sugar Babe. It's one of their original scents, and this is a beautiful pineapple fragrance. And I went in with the Limonada Gelato by Sol de Janeiro. So I was a lemon lime pineapple, and it was good. Really enjoyed it. So that was my fragrance combination for that Friday. And moving on into that Saturday, you guys, and on this particular day I actually did get a compliment. Someone complimented me. I was in the store and in the market, and a lady came up behind me and she was like, "Ma'am, what do you have on?" And I told her what it was, and this is Lolita, which is inspired by Nolita from Bun Number 9. The Bun Number 9 with all the different lips on it. It's that one. And you guys, I do have the fragrance. Well, I'm out of the fragrance now, but I still have it in the body silk. This is not a spot on. To me, when I smell this out of the bottle like this, it reminds me of some Fruity Pebbles. Why, I don't know, because Nolita is a citrusy tangerine type of fragrance that I do love. I really enjoy. Like I said, I still have it in the body silk, but I do need to replenish my fragrance. But I did get a compliment on it. Like I said, it is not a spot on. There are some Brown Sugar Babe oils that are far more closer, and I can't even say that this is a 80% inspiration in my opinion. It's just different for me, but I do like the fragrance, and I do like pairing it with the original. It is really pretty. So that was the fragrance that I had on Saturday, and I did not put on any mist with it. I only wore the oil, and like I said, I did get a compliment. Not as many from other days, but someone did tell me I smelled nice. So you guys, my experiment, it was successful. I was just trying to see how well these Brown Sugar Babe oils, I knew that they would. There was no doubt. But I never gave myself a chance just to wear the oils. I always would pair them with my perfumes. But if you were wondering if the Brown Sugar Babe oils are worth the investment, they are indeed, to me, worth the investment. If you're not a person that wants to spend or have lots of perfumes, I do it because I love fragrance, and I do have like a collection. So my reason is totally different. But if I was a person that just wanted to smell nice, there's no way that I would not consider getting these Brown Sugar Babe oils and wearing just the oils, because they are just that good. So you guys, I want to thank you for coming back to the channel. You are appreciated. Please give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let's get some engagement. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And do not forget, you, yes you are great. Bye-bye.